How's it going, guys? I'm going to show you in today's video how you can locate the deleted files into locations, where you can find the recycle bin, and also how you can recover deleted items. So step number one, what we need to do is head over to our app screen here, and then what you now need to do is you need to locate the files folder, which will look something like this and sometimes can be hidden away in a pre-installed folder here. Click into this, click on my files, and then once you do that, if you then scroll to the bottom of this page, you will then see an option now for recycle bin. You then want to click on this, and then if you have gone ahead and deleted anything, it will show up in this folder here, and then you will then be able to restore that from this folder if it is within 30 days. Now, if you don't find what you're looking for in this folder here, what we can do is head on back, and then if you go over now and click on your gallery, what we can now do is we can click on the three lines in the bottom right hand corner, which will then bring up this submenu. As you can see, there is now an option for recycle bin as well. You can click in here, and then you will then be able to see all of your deleted photos, videos, and things like that. And if it's not located in the first folder, you should see an option in this folder here if it is within 30 days. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can find the recycle bin and any deleted items on Android.